Hello traders, how you doing today? Welcome to a good morning trading show of the 13th day of January 2026. My name is Sir A.A. James and I'm going to be bringing to you the recap of our analysis yesterday. So yesterday we had primarily this demand zone. Number 2, we have this minor supply here. Number 3, we have another resistance up here. And number 4, we have another resistance up here. Okay, this was 8 a.m. and when I went down to 5 minutes, I had some rejections here and I got in on the rejections here. Market hit my stop loss and took me out. However, like I said, we have another zone above, so this was the zone the market eventually used. You can see the engulfing pattern that happened here, and markets actually fell. Since that time, market has been falling. Okay, so that was it for yesterday. Now what are we looking at today? First things first is economics. Do we have news today? Yes, there is going to be Great Britain pound news by 11 a.m. I have nothing to do with that. It may affect the euro also, but let's get to see it. Now by 2:30 p.m. we have USD news. CPI is definitely going to affect what I'm trading because I trade EURUSD. Is that all for today? That would be all for today. So however, we're going to mark up what we need to mark up and we wait for that time. Good. Number 2 is the trend. What is the trend? Like I said, technically we are already in an uptrend. Technically, this particular move has broken a lot of highs. So our expectation is the market comes to some support levels or demand levels before it takes off. Number 3 is our level, with our zones. Now let's mark them. The first thing we'll do is the high of yesterday. So this guy was triggered. Then the low of yesterday. This was the low of yesterday. So now let me mark out the zones that I think would be useful for us. All right, so we have a supply zone here. I love the supply zone because there are so many concepts that time will not permit me to be mentioning. So like, for example, we have what we call a stop loss hunt here. Okay, so, and we now have a displacement, okay, more like an order block or whatever you want to call it. So this is a very clean supply zone. That's number 1. Now we have this demand zone, which is here. This demand zone, of course, broke this whole downtrend. Then number 2, there is this drop base and rally. It's also a demand zone, but it's a minor demand zone. And price is there right now. It's just a few seconds to 8 o'clock. Okay, so we wouldn't know what market is going to be doing, except we'll go to the 5-minute time frame and we'll check what will market do once market opens by 8 o'clock. These are the 3 zones that I would be looking at. Number 4, pattern. It's almost 8 o'clock. I'm going to scroll down now to 5 minutes to check if there's going to be any pattern there. So now I'm not going to be doing anything here. I would wait for market to either come back here, all right, then pull back up again, giving me what looks like a divergence or what looks like a liquidity sweep. That's the only way I'm going to buy from the zone. And if market does not respect the zone, I will simply wait until market gets down to where? This demand zone, or if market goes back up to this big supply zone, right? Then my timing, of course, is from 8 a.m. Nigerian time to 6 p.m. GMT plus 1. And the most important factor is patience. I will have to wait. If I have a setup, great. If I don't have a setup, I will just have to wait. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for today, the 13th day of January 2026. Remember that the process is the same. It is the outcome that will definitely be different. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Once again, my name is Sir A.A. James. I would see you tomorrow with both the recap and the analysis for tomorrow. In the meantime, trade responsibly. Do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.